Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna play Teardown. Now the music is off because it's very loud. So yeah, we turn on, let me play a map. We're gonna play, this is the old version of Teardown. So yeah, I have two versions of Teardown. The new one and the old one, which is this one, it's the old one. So yeah. We have basic level, slide level, castle, vehicle, as the map I talk about in the video, and the custom level. With the custom level, we can make your own map, but I'm not gonna show you that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the. Okay, when you reach, we're in the map. The game is running a little bit better. You can see the game is so old. The shotgun is the same thing. I didn't put my pack because I can't put my pack on this version of Teardown. With the bomb. This is the bomb I try to put my back. And I have the rocket. And this is a house. Inside house. You can open the door. That's why. You're supposed to break. You know what? Okay, we just died. Wow. Maybe on this map, this is another old map, but isn't what I deleted from the new version. So this is a big house with trees that you can break. Okay, we can break the door. What's this? This is weird. Okay, we're gonna destroy this house too with a rocket. Hey up! The wrong way. This is the castle I still in the new version. It's raining, so I'm just gonna go in this house. So the house has anything furniture, a teeny tiny box, and now I'm gonna explode it. We can pick up the boxes. You know what? Oh, I forgot the physical doesn't exist in this version. So yeah, we're on this map, and you can sit here, relaxing the rain, like that. Here you go. And there's a tiny body and things. Here you go, buddy. Hey, let's shoot him in the face. Over here in the vehicle map, which is from the new one. So yeah, it's the same thing as the vehicles. There's boss. Oh yeah. I built this with Foxhole. That's why I built this custom map in the game. So yeah, I'm gonna put a link in the description of my next video about that. Yeah. How did that print disappear? Mission maps, not a mission, it's just a custom sandbox map. We go to sandbox. Now if vehicles like this, the new one has still this map, so yeah. Any version of that will have this map. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you. Yeah. If you don't have this map, or you can get this map in the game always. There is the next map from Sandbox. So yeah, if I've had boat, we'll be going there. Yeah, or you can spray by shotgun. I hope the boat is gonna hold that. I've never been in this boat. What the? What is going with my mouse? That's a glitch. I gotta fix it. Okay, so we have cool cars. Yes, one car. Yes, and get still in the game. We're gonna start. Let's go! Look at that speed. Oh crap, it's a little bit hard to run. Speed, no! This is a map with a secret tracer in this map, okay? See, here it is. Have you noticed? Let's blow it up and check how it didn't blow up. Great. And it's glitching. Oh crap. Why is it? Oh. Okay, we're on this map. It's not a map, it's a camping map. Yeah, it's my car that I fixed. Can I upgrade my tools? Okay, we are, the game is lagging. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we gonna go. Oh, it's there. Okay, we can't. Is. Oh, we have a. It's oh. I noticed a secret. I'm not gonna show you now. Okay, let me. Oh, we can open this door. So thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, the game gonna be the link in the description for this game, teardown. And yeah, this more the videos. Bye.